Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best vegetable choppers that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Alren's Vegetable Chopper. Home chefs who want to add efficiency to their food prep game should consider Alren's versatile vegetable chopper. It comes with 2 sizes of chopping blades, 2 shredding blades, a slicing blade, and a waffle blade, and cooks simply swap out the implement that best suits the task at hand. The gadget doesn't just chop, either, it also comes with a mashing insert, egg separator, drain basket, and peeler, which kind of makes it a jack of all trades for kitchen prep work. Constructed of Bpa-Free plastic with stainless steel blades, this manual lever chopper holds 4 cups of prepped vegetables until they're ready for use. Though its variety of functions alone is enough to recommend the Alren's vegetable chopper, the fact that it also has protective safety features makes it even more worthy of notice. Its non-slip rubber handle provides leverage and stability, and its protective handguard ensures that users don't accidentally cut themselves on the blades. Designed for quick cleanup, all of this vegetable chopper's parts are safe to wash in the dishwasher. Moving on at number 4, we have Full-Star Vegetable Chopper. Full-Star's manual chopper uses lever force to quickly transform whole vegetables into a variety of cut shapes. From large and small cut pieces to vegetable spirals and ribbons, this small device's blades chop, julienne, and slice veggies into the size and shape they're needed, and save cooks a ton of time in the process. Stainless steel blades cut smoothly and stay sharp for a long time. The Bpa-Free plastic container holds up to 4 cups of vegetables, so users don't have to empty it as often. For safety, the design includes a locking system to keep the blade inserts secure, a rubberized handle for leverage, and a non-skid base so the chopper doesn't get away when the lever is in motion. The entire system can be disassembled, and it's safe to wash on the top rack of the dishwasher. Once dry, it folds up nicely for convenient storage. At number 3, we have Chef'n Veggie Chop hand-powered food chopper. Take the work out of dinner prep and instead have fun cutting vegetables with this affordable manual food chopper from Chef'n. Home chefs chop vegetables by tugging on a pull cord that spins the chopper's blades. The more pulls, the finer the chop. The fewer pulls, the coarser the chop. Pull the cord several times, and avocados and onions become fine enough to make rustic guacamole. Veggie Chop's Bpa-Free plastic container holds about 3 cups of ingredients, and its twist and lock lid keeps fingers far from the blades. If you've chopped more vegetables than you need, don't fret about finding a container to store them. Just pop on the included lid and stick the bowl in the fridge. Well suited for small kitchens, casual cooks, and campers, Veggie Chop is uncomplicated and does a fine job of chopping, but mise en place purists should know that the cut vegetables are not uniformly shaped. The chopper's simple design, however, is super easy to clean, especially since all the components are dishwasher safe. At number 2, we have Full-Star Vegetable Chopper. Made from Bpa-Free plastic and stainless steel blades, Full-Star's vegetable chopper is practical and long-lasting. This manual chopper comes with 7 easy-to-change inserts and a blade organizer to keep all the accessories organized. Prepare vegetables with large or small chops, or cut them into ribbons or spirals. Switch to the egg separator insert for baking, or use the egg slicer for a salad. If ever there's a need for fresh juice, there's an insert for that, too. The Full-Star chopper's lever design keeps blades far from the fingertips, and its non-slip base ensures there aren't any unexpected movements. The included vegetable peeler makes dinner prep even quicker. A large catch tray contains all chopped ingredients so there's no countertop mess. Come cleanup time, the whole vegetable chopper can go in the top rack of the dishwasher for easy washing. And finally at number 1. Black + Decker 3-Cup Electric Food Chopper. Black & Decker's easy-to-use electric vegetable chopper simplifies cutting vegetables. While other electric choppers incorporate a multitude of features, This vegetable chopper focuses on doing one thing well. A one-touch pulse button puts home cooks in control of how coarse or fine they want their vegetables chopped. It uses the same blade to mix and puree dips and sauces if the button is held long enough. The 175-watt motor is powerful enough for chopping and mincing, and it has protective plastic housing. The 3-cup plastic work bowl keeps the chopper's stainless steel blades away from fingers. This vegetable chopper comes with a base, bowl, S-shaped blades, and a lid for clean and efficient chopping. The lid has small holes that are handy for home chefs who want to add oil to the bowl. Think homemade salad dressings and dips, while the device is in use. All removable parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup.